Meet Qrov, a new era of dashcam, universal design for cars, bikes, and outdoors. Qrov captures the finest details in 510 degrees without leaving any blind spots. Made of real 360-degree dual-lens dashcam that captures inside and around your car, plus wide-angle rear cam captures overall back lanes. Integrated with Starvis-powered imaging solution, provides high-quality recording. Powered by intelligent active orient sensing technology with 4G cellular connectivity. Qrov monitors and records during a parking incident, like hit and run or break-in. Notifies the vehicle owner anywhere with alert notification. Get a clear view of license plate numbers with solid proof for any lawsuit claims. Upon hard impact or accident, Qrov crash detection features trigger emergency SOS message with location to your selected contacts for emergencies. Stay 24/7 connected. Access anytime, anywhere to connect live and view vehicle in real time. Ideal for longer term recording and supports up to 512 gigabytes micro SD card. A hard impact or an accident will automatically be stored to a secured cloud, which is accessible anytime, anywhere. Comes with helmet mount accessory to be your bike companion. Qrov records all surrounds in 360 degrees without missing any spots. Portable power backup unit that can be attached to your favorite motorcycle, e-bike, cycle helmet. It supplies long-lasting power for your riding journey. Use Qrov at any of your favorite outdoor activities and record in time-lapse overnight. Capture any rad moments with Shot Button and share it to social media. Qrov is compact, durable, lightweight, and sleek design dashcam ever made. Get your Qrov now.